What is the best tint for home windows? Window tint used on residential buildings offers a high level of privacy. It also reduces your energy usage by preventing sunlight from filtering into a house or building you want to keep cool. What to consider when choosing the best window film? It's important to read reviews online to determine its overall quality and if other consumers recommend it. Consider the percentage of tint, which can allow more exterior light to be blocked from the outside. You'll also want to research the expected lifespan of each window tint to determine how long it'll last before it needs to be replaced. We can help you with all of these decisions, saving you the time and effort of researching and measuring. Choosing the right type of tint for your home. Mirror film allows you to have a clear view of your surroundings while spending time in the building. From the outside, it has a reflective look, which prevents the office interior from appearing visible. Solar tint is popular for those who want to create a comfortable interior climate and have more control over their energy bill. Blackout tint is another consideration that blocks out all exterior light from the sun or a nearby street light. You can install translucent window film if you want more light to enter the building. You can also talk to our technician about installing carbon window film, which is manufactured without any metal. In addition, the matte look of this type of film creates an attractive appearance when you place it on every window. Why contact professionals to do window tinting? Window tinting is challenging to perform without the right tools and experience. Although this type of project may seem like a simple DIY project, it can be easy for imperfections like bubbles to develop if the window tint is installed incorrectly due to a lack of experience and the correct tools. By working with a professional, you can discuss your specific needs and obtain recommendations to avoid investing in the wrong product for your home. Our technicians are qualified to install window film that is perfectly applied. Guaranteed. Our company has over 40 years of experience in the residential and commercial glass industry. We are bonded and insured, and our work and products are guaranteed. Ready to get started? Give us a call.